Hey YouTube viewers, I am working on my 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I'm going to replace the stereo. This one was done by Best Buy, and I think I got it done about a couple of years back and paid about $260. But this one has no GPS, no LCD, like a DVD player, backup camera. So I bought a new one, a new unit that has all of those features. So my plan is to replace it with that one and see how that goes. This one works fine. I never had any issue with it. Okay, so here is everything that I have purchased as a replacement new stereo for my van. This is a Pile Audio, a single DIN PL-BT73G. Unfortunately, in the Dodge Grand Caravan, the stereo size is not double DIN, it is 1.5 DIN. So the standard double DIN will not fit in, and I am not sure if there is any model with a 1.5 DIN that has LCD screen, GPS and all other functionalities available. This one seems like a good deal with some mixed reviews on the Amazon, but I think this is the best choice.